Today we're going to be making M M cookies minis. And I think it's going to be good. So first things first, you cut it open. Obvious. I like the best at cutting. Why is this sticking with Oh, they're big! Whoa! Hold up. I'm back to my dad's house. Look, is there like M&M's in there? Oh no, they all stick. There's only one without a bit. It's stuck to the tray, Daddy. I need your help. I don't know how to get these apart. My dad helped me, but before we got into splitting it, you need to preheat the oven to 300 degrees. What? 350 degrees, and it's a little wrong, but 350. You can see that's 2 cookies. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna split it. Huh? And then we're gonna put them on the tray. As you can see, I already did one, but okay. At least I'm showing you how to do it. You want to make sure they're not too close, but you want to make sure they're not too far. There's M&M's flying everywhere. M&M's don't like me. So I'm just gonna do that for every single one. This one's empty, but that's okay. I like cookies either way. Hopefully the M&M's don't melt in the Now we start putting it in the middle. Just keep blonde putting there. What? They're so long. That means I can eat them. No, I'm not gonna eat them. It's raw. What is going on? I'm gonna put it in the oven. But wait, you realize how it's gonna do that? My dad's gonna do it. I'm not gonna get that. Well, okay, I am gonna do it, but my dad's gonna be near me. Like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna find this out. All right. I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes. All right, this is all done. Look at them. It's a little hot, so let's be careful. Ooh, yeah, let's try. They're so good, Mom. Oh, Mom. Oh, good. These are all cookies.